Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Islamic Forex trading accounts in Gabon. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Forex brokers offering Islamic Forex trading accounts in Gabon enable Muslim traders to trade using a swap-free account. Finding the best brokerage firm as a Gabonese investor has become a much easier task over the past decade, as international firms are making their services available to local Forex traders. Traders who are searching for some of the best Islamic Forex trading accounts in Gabon can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Islamic Forex trading accounts in Gabon. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have HFM. HFM, previously known as HotForex, was established in 2007 and is a well-regulated online trading broker. HFM has been listed under the World Finance Top 100 Global Companies and offers premium MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading tools, access to AutoChartist, a VPS hosting service, and more than 1,200 tradable instruments. HFM offers more than 50 tradable currency pairs, with spreads starting as low as 0 pips, as well as a variety of metals, energies, indices, shares, commodities, bonds, stocks, and ETFs. With HFM, you can trade popular cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. With lower commission fees, risk management, negative balance protection, mobile trading, and more. Their accounts are available on micro, premium, zero spread, and HF copy accounts. The minimum deposits required range from $5 to $300, with no deposit fees, 24 hours a day, 6 days a week customer support, a large number of simultaneous open orders, variable spreads, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and more. HFM's accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, which are supported on desktops and mobile operating systems. This broker provides a great selection of high-quality educational guides, trading courses, and research materials. There are plenty of educational videos that cover a variety of topics, such as trading psychology, trading plans, the basics of trading, technical indicators, as well as entire courses in video format that will teach you about using the trading tools and platforms provided, trading different instruments, trading strategies, and understanding the basics of trading. You can also delve into their podcasts and webinars if you are searching for any additional educational content with HFM. At number 4 on our list is FX Pro. FX Pro is a multi-asset, fully regulated, online Forex and CFD broker that was founded in 2006 in the United Kingdom. This award-winning broker uses an order book execution engine and offers competitive trading conditions and ultra-fast, no-dealing desk execution with deep liquidity. As an FX Pro client, you can choose from more than 2,100 tradable instruments to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of Forex pairs, precious metals, indices, shares, energies, and popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ether, Doge, and many more. FX Pro provides all the tools, resources, and features you need to make informed decisions with your trades, and there are several different platforms that you can trade on when trading with this broker. Whether you are new to trading or an expert, FX Pro provides beginner to advanced learning material, and beginners can practice using a risk-free demo account. More than 1.8 million people worldwide are currently trading on FX Pro, and they have received more than 90 awards since launching in 2006. FX Pro offers a total of 5 types of trading accounts and also gives their clients the option to use demo accounts and swap-free accounts. The trading conditions of FX Pro's accounts are designed according to the platforms they are used with, and most accounts allow hedging and use a no-dealing desk execution model. The FX Pro MetaTrader 4 Instant offers fixed spreads with no commission fees and instant execution. All instruments except cryptocurrencies can be traded using this account on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. The FX Pro MetaTrader 4 account also offers commission-free trading. However, it is a market execution account with tiered liquidity and floating spreads. This account can be used to trade all available instruments. The third account that you can use with MetaTrader 4 is the FX Pro Platform account, which is also a market execution account. The CTrader account can be used to trade Forex, metals, indices, and energies. It is also a market execution account. This account also allows hedging and can be used on the CTrader platform. The last live trading account you can use with FX Pro is the FX Pro MetaTrader 5 account, which is also a market execution account with tiered liquidity and floating spreads. However, it allows netting by default, and hedging functionality must be requested. You can trade crypto 24/7 with this account, and it can only be used on MetaTrader 5. Both of their market execution accounts allow 24/7 cryptocurrency trading. Their platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as CTrader and the FX Pro proprietary trading platform, which are all supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FX Pro provides educational resources for beginners and advanced traders, covering the topics of trading basics, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and trading psychology. These learning modules are divided into lessons. There are also videos you can watch to learn more about trading habits, currency pairs, and market players, for you to browse through at any time if you are searching for any additional educational content with FX Pro. Coming in at number 3, we have IC Markets. IC Markets is an online Forex, ECN, and CFD broker regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, as well as the Seychelles Financial Services Authority. IC Markets specializes and offers services in trading across Forex, commodities, indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and futures. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature demo, raw spread, and standard accounts, with lower starting deposits, lower spreads, up to 64 tradable currency pairs, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and more. IC Markets also provides their very own educational panels, which delve into beginners' guides to getting started with trading, a range of articles and written educational content, which covers trading lessons, analysis, and news, as well as a variety of educational videos and webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with IC Markets. At number 2 on our list is XM. XM is a beginner-friendly forex broker that was founded in 2009. They are regulated by 6 top-tier agencies, including the CYSEC, the ASIC, and the FCA, and currently has over 5 million clients worldwide. To start trading on the XM accounts, a minimum deposit of only $5 is required, and you can fund your account using one of 9 base currencies. XM gives you the opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of commodities, forex pairs, stocks, cryptocurrencies, metals, shares, and energies. We recommend XM for all types of traders, whether you are a professional or only just beginning your trading career. XM provides 4 trading account types, which are featured on Standard, XM Ultra Low, Micro, a Shares account, Demo accounts, and Swap 3 accounts. All accounts have negative balance protection, lower spreads, lower minimum deposits, and more. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and XM's proprietary mobile trading application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. The XM Learning Center provides live education and plenty of educational videos, as well as Forex webinars and platform tutorials. You can also use XM for in-depth market overviews and market news. A variety of trading ideas, technical summaries, podcasts, and much more are also provided if you are searching for any additional educational material with XM. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Islamic Forex trading accounts in Gabon, we have FP Markets. FP Markets is an Australian fully regulated online financial broker, was established in 2005, serves over 1,200 clients around the world, and connects traders to the markets through electronic bridges and DMA pricing models. FP Markets offers traders access to trade over 13,000 products ranging from Forex, shares, metals, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and raw Forex accounts, with a variety of tradable market instruments, access to their mobile applications, virtual private servers, lower spreads, and more. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FP Markets also provides their very own educational video tutorial library, ebooks that cover in-depth trading topics and strategies, a trader's hub that delves into various fundamental and technical analytical news, trading guides, market insights, and more for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your knowledge with FP Markets. And those are some of the top 5 best Islamic Forex trading accounts in Gabon on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.